So now what are large scale industries? See page number 184. Large scale industries are vital for the development of any country. These are the industries which determine the economic success of the country, and some are economic okay. So what are large scale industries? Large scale industries are those industries in which a larger number of goods are produced and the production takes place on a much larger scale as compared to the small scale industries. A much greater number of products are being produced in the large scale industries as compared to small scale industries, and there is a mass production of goods and services. In large scale industries, let us discuss about some of the characteristics of the large scale industries. The first one is huge quantities of raw materials. Huge quantities of raw materials. Huge quantities of raw material. The different processes that take place in large scale industries require a lot of raw material. Whether it be oil, whether it be yarn, huge quantities of raw material. The next point is the large scale industries have a very large number of laborers, and they are often more than 1,000. Large scale industries have a large number of workers, often more than 1,000. Next characteristic of large scale industries is that they employ skilled, trained and efficient labor. They employ skilled, trained and efficient labor. Skilled, trained and efficient large scale industries employs those workers which are quite skilled in the task that they perform. That is, they are quite skilled in the manufacturing of the different products that are made in the large scale industries. They are already trained or they are provided training so that they perform their task perfectly and in an efficient manner. In an efficient manner means that without the wastage of much of the raw materials. Without wastage of the raw materials. So, what type of labor is employed in large scale industries? Skilled, trained and efficient labor. They do not make much of the wastage of raw materials and they are already trained or they are provided training so that they can perform their task perfectly, and they are skilled that they have the required skills which are to be used in the manufacturing of different products in the large scale industries. The next point is capital investment is high, involving more than 1 crore of rupees. The next point is capital investment is high, involving more than 1 crore of rupees. Capital investment is high. And how much it is? More than 1 crore. Please note that the capital invested in the small scale industries was how much? It was more than the capital invested in cottage industries, but it was lower than large scale industries, and the amount was not given. That how much amount of money was to be invested in small scale industries, but in large scale industries it is often more than 1 crore. The capital invested in large scale industries is often more than 1 crore of rupees. next point is work is highly mechanized. Heavy power operated machines are being used. The work is highly mechanized means that in the processes of manufacturing and distribution and packaging, etc., different types of machines are used in the large scale industries. Different types of machines are used in large scale industries for the manufacturing of goods and for the different processes such as the packaging, the distributing, right? So these are some of the processes, and in these processes machineries are used. Different types of machineries which are heavy power operated, which require a lot of electrical energy, which require a lot of heat energy to work. So in large scale industries, heavy power operated machines are used in large numbers in every operation of manufacturing to packaging. Okay, moving on to the next one. Mass production requires proper marketing. Mass production of goods require proper marketing. Markets are located both within and outside the country. There is mass production of goods. There is mass production of goods in large scale industries. And these require proper marketing. These require proper marketing. You know that the different companies which operate in the large scale industries are quite competitive, and so they produce different types of products which are very good in quality and that which are very competitive. Whether it be in terms of price, they offer very competitive prices as compared to other companies, and they also produce goods which are very good in quality. So they must distinguish their products from the products of different companies in the same industry. So they have to properly market their products. They have to properly market their products so that they can distinguish individual products, their own products, from the products of the different companies in the same industry. Right? For example, the different brands of soaps have distinguished their soaps by naming them differently and by using different types of packaging and by different types of marketing strategies. Different types of marketing strategies such as different types of slogans, different types of visuals, and different types of advertisements. Moving on to the next point. The markets are located both within and outside the country. The markets are located both within and outside the country. Within and outside country. The different businesses of the large scale industries not only sell their products locally in the local market, but they also sell their products in the external markets, that is in the nearby regions, and they also sell their products outside the countries, outside the boundaries of our country, India, and they sell the products outside the countries, to different countries. They export their products outside India. The large scale industries export their products outside the country. The next point is products are in large quantities and are often heavy and bulky, and good transportation network is required. The products are in large quantities, that is, there is a mass production of goods. There is a mass production of goods. The number of goods that are produced in the large scale industries is quite large. Large number of products. In the factories, there are different batches that are run in the factories, and in different batches a large number of products are being made. Like in the first batch, 1,000 of soaps are made. In the second batch, another 1,000 of soaps are made. This is how the production takes place in the large scale industries. And the products are often heavy and bulky. They are often heavy and bulky. Products are heavy and bulky, like automobiles and refrigerator, television, etc. These products are heavy and bulky. Bulky means that they occupy a greater volume. And good transportation network is required for sending them to the markets. These products, because they are heavy and bulky, they need a good transportation system that can transport these goods to different regions of the country on time, and these transportation system should be cheap also, and they should work in a timely manner. That is, by the time the products are ready to be distributed around the country, the transportation system should work actively to pick those products from the factories and send them around different regions in the country for selling. Then the large scale industries include basic as well as heavy industries. What are the basic industries? The basic industries are like iron and steel and aluminium, and the heavy industries. So the large scale industries include basic as well as heavy industries. Heavy industries like iron, steel, aluminium, and there are also consumer industries. There are also consumer industries like cotton, textiles, paper, etc. and belong to this category. So cotton, textile, paper, etc. are consumed by the ultimate consumer like you and me. Okay. So these are the consumer goods. So large scale industries also include consumer industries and produce goods like cotton, textile, paper, etc. While it also produces goods like iron, steel, aluminium, etc. And these products are used in the manufacturing of tools, equipments, etc. So there are heavy industries also, and there are consumer industries also in large scale industries. Now moving on to the next topic on the basis of raw material. So let me just write down all the important features of the large scale industries. And the first feature is huge quantities of raw material are used. Huge quantity of raw materials. As mass production is taking place in these industries, a large amount of raw materials is required on continuous basis. That is, it has to be provided right on time so that the production is not affected, and a huge quality of raw material is required. Large number of laborers, large number of laborers, many workers, many employees or laborers are employed in the large scale industries. Large number of laborers. Often, how much? Often 1,000. Right. More than 1,000. More than 1,000. In these industries, 1,000, even more than 1,000 number of workers are employed. Right. Skilled, trained, and efficient labor is used. Trained, efficient labor. Capital invested is more than 1 crore of rupees. Capital invested is more than 1 crore of rupees, right? Is done in the large scale industries. It requires heavy power operated machines. Heavy power operated machines. Heavy power operated machines. Lot of power is required to operate those machineries, and a continuous supply, a continuous regular supply is required for operating the machineries in the large scale industries. A smooth and regular supply of different types of power like electrical energy or the heat energy is required to operate the machinery in the large scale industries. The mass production of goods take place. The products are produced in large batches, having a lot of products being produced in each of the batch. So in large scale industries, mass production takes place, and what does it mean that mass production takes place? That is, the products that are made in the large scale industries are produced in batches, and each batch has a large number of units that are produced, right? Each batch has a large number of units that are being produced. Like these are the batches, first batch, second batch and the third batch, and there will be more batches and so on, right? So the first batch may have 1000 units, the second batch may also have 1000 units, and the next third batch also have 1000 units, and like this there are many of the batches in a day, right? All of these batches are made a day. So how many products are being made in a day? There are 4000 products or 4000 units. Then managerial staff is required. Managerial staff is required. Highly mechanized work, heavy power operated machine, highly mechanized work. Highly mechanized work, power driven machines, that is the machines use a lot amount of power, lot amount of energy to operate. Then it requires proper marketing, and it is made for both local and outside the country. It requires proper marketing. Local as well as markets outside the country. A large number of laborers are required, often more than 1000, and huge quantities of raw material is required. Mass production is being done, and capital invested is more than 1 crore rupees, and skilled, trained and efficient labor. Efficient means the labor which is quite skilled in the work that they do, and efficient means that without wastage, right? The labor is so skilled that it does not waste any kind of raw materials, and efficient labor is employed in the large scale industries. Power operated machines are used, right? Managerial staff is required to manage the large scale industries. The operations are so complex that it requires supervising the leadership of and the guidance of a manager, right? So managerial staff is also required in large scale industries, so that the work is done properly and in time. Then the products that are made in the large scale industries are heavy and bulky. The products are heavy and bulky, and they require a good transportation system. They require good transportation. Good transportation system. Large scale industries include the basic as well as the consumer industry. So these were the features of the large scale industries.